So, if you have a Hotpoint Aqualtis like this, with a full LCD screen like this, you'll notice that it actually speaks to you in English. It doesn't actually voice in English, it just, anything that you select will come up in English. Well, that's what you think, but the thing is, if you speak a different language, you're going to want a different language to read it. So, to do this, you need to press and hold the info button and the delay start together. So press and hold info, delay starts this one here, 5 seconds, then press the info button repeatedly to the language you wish to have. Whether this is French, Italian, and to be honest I can't read the rest of it. So if we select French, we're going to wait for 5 seconds. Then that's it, it's now selected. Everything we now select will all be in French language. Right, so what's odd is that Fast Wash 30 becomes Mix 30 within French, and that's not false, it's just that actually Mix 30 is what's labelled in the instruction manual for even the English. It just then becomes Fast Wash 30 on the actual display, which is what it actually is. Anyway, so to change back, we're going to press info and delay start for 2-3 seconds. Then we're going to press the info button until we get to English. Then we're going to wait. Language selected, and there we go. We're back to English. Fast wash, synthetics, cotton, with 2 T's. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to use on your own machine at home. Thank you for watching.